Once upon a time, in a lively Belgian neighborhood called Bloomstraat, four children loved to spend their days together. Their names were Lotte, Milan, Sofie, and Jules. Every sunny afternoon, you could find them laughing and playing games, trading biscuits and stories under the wide blue sky. One golden afternoon at their favorite little park, something odd happened. Lotte clutched her skipping rope and said, "Let's play jump rope." Milan piped up, "But I want to play football." Sofie waved her chalks cheerfully, "Can we draw pictures on the pavement?" Jules, meanwhile, was already by the sandpit, eager to make his biggest ever sandcastle. All four voices filled the air at once, each growing louder in a jumble of wishes. No one wanted to give in. The cheerful laughter faded to frowns and quiet shuffles. Sophie's sigh broke the silence. "This doesn't feel nice," she whispered. Just around the corner, Madame Elise, their kindly neighbor, was watering her row of flowery pots. She spotted the gloomy children and strolled over, her gentle eyes twinkling behind her glasses. "Children," she said warmly, "did you know friendships are a bit like my flower garden here? They need looking after to stay bright and lovely." Curious, the children gathered around her, their sulky faces softening with interest. Madame Elise crouched amongst her colorful petals and shared her secrets. Friendships need 5 things to grow: listening ears, sharing hands, kind words, brave hearts for saying sorry, and a sprinkle of being your true self. She explained. Listen carefully, let your friend finish what they're saying. Share and take turns, everyone gets a chance to choose. Use kind words, your words can make someone's heart happy or sad. Say sorry and forgive, mistakes happen. It's how we fix them that matters. And most importantly, always be yourself, true friends will love the real you. The children looked at each other, smiles beginning to sprout. Lotte straightened her plaits. "I'll listen first," she promised. Milan juggled his football thoughtfully. "We can take turns picking games," he agreed. Jules brushed sand off his hands. "I'm sorry I didn't share my bucket, Sofie," he said quietly. Sofie grinned and handed him some chalk. "Would you like to draw the windows on my castle?" Jules nodded in delight. Soon, laughter fluttered through Bloomstraat once more. The friends played football in a quick match, scribbled bright hopscotch patterns with chalk, and created the tallest, twistiest sandcastle ever. As the sun dipped behind the rooftops, the 4 children sat together, tired but happy. Jules announced, "Our friendship feels stronger now, just like Madame Elise's pretty garden. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye."